I want to also let you know, I am so passionate about mental health because my son went through his very challenging mental health struggles. If you follow me on social media, you've probably seen my son and I share. And we wrote a book recently called I Can Fix This. And I am so honored that it will be published in Slovenia by Mladinska knjiga this May. And on June 5th, I am coming to the festival hall. I will be there in person, not just on camera like right now, in person. I want to see you. I want to talk to you. I want to hug you. I want to encourage you. I am so excited to hang out with you in person. So I will see you there, and I will share more on making sure that we are getting the help we need, whether it's through therapy, support groups, building our own community. Take really good care of yourself. Never, ever, ever, ever feel guilty taking care of the most important person in your child's life. And that's you. All my love to you.